Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to change your brightness in the Black Ops 7 and you are looking out how to do so, you may follow up these steps for that and you should be able to do it. So for that, once you open up your Black Ops 7, you can just go over to the settings by looking out the settings option in the top right corner and opening up right there. And once you open it up, you can just go over and guard for the graphics tab from the settings menu and select it right below the keyboard and mouse, and that should open up the space right here, and you need to be under the display tab right here. Make sure you are on the display sub tab. Now from the given options, you can just go over and scroll down, and once you go ahead and scroll down, go to the section for gamma/brightness settings, and once you find it up, you just need to move the slider to the left or the right to increase or decrease the brightness, like this right here. So you can move it to the left or the right to increase or decrease the brightness. You can use the on-screen guide of the logo or symbol to find a level where it's visible but not washed out, typically around 50, to the personal preferences varies. And once it is done, you can just go and press the button to apply up your new settings, and that should probably do it. And apart from that, you can even look out for your TVs or monitors picture settings, brightness, contrast, gamma directly for the better overall look. You can set it up within that as well. And if you're struggling to see in dark areas, you can turn the HDR off in the same display settings for more accurate brightness control within the game slider. And that's it, everybody. Those are the methods you can follow up to do so. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.